Hi guys, Paul Ruiz here, DPRS Unlimited, the little guy helping the little guy. Today's quick video is an investment video to kind of tell you another thing that you can do after you've created that saving mentality. So, one of the things that I would like to recommend to you guys is index funds, okay? The reason that I would recommend index funds is if you are unfamiliar with the stock market. Now, if you're familiar with the stock market, you know that more motion usually creates more loss. So you choose a stock based on the managers they have, you purchase it as if you're purchasing a business, and you keep your money there. If you don't know much about stock markets, then it might be really hard for you to go through all those ticker symbols, choose a few that you want to invest in, and evaluate them properly and put your money there and not get too antsy. And you're going to be moving it around a lot trying to catch those gains, and you're not going to do it. If you look historically at the stock market, now it's about 10% return on investment with index funds. Okay, so you can't beat the market, guys. The way, the casino's set up is the house always wins. So unless you're an extremely good extremely familiar with the stock market and extremely familiar with the types of businesses that you're trying to invest in, index funds are really the safest place for you to put your money. It's really guaranteed because it has to go up along with the rest of the inflation and business around. So it's really a way to safeguard your money against loss by investing in index funds. Now you're going to lose money every once in a while. So if you are investing this way, one thing that I would recommend, it's called dollar cost averaging. Look into it so that way you're putting the same amount of money every month into these index funds, guys, so that way it continues to bring you a generous return. Motion in the stock market usually and historically creates losses. Now, if you were an average day trader, you made probably about 7% interest on the money that you had invested, minus the fees that you had from your brokerage firm, from different kind of trading fees that you'll get, and those kind of things. Now, if you invested in index funds, what an index fund is, if you don't know, it's something that invests in pretty much everything in a certain genre. So like the S&P 500 invests, if you invest in the S&P 500 and you watch the S&P 500, you're investing mainly in commodities, things like stock, gas, gold, wheat, barley, corn, those kind of things. The Dow Jones, for example, that's another huge ticker of index fund. It has about 10,000 different stocks in there. And basically what you're doing when you're buying an index fund is buying a little piece of everything. Unlike actively managed, okay, and another thing that I want you to pay attention for and to watch out for is actively managed index funds. These work more like mutual funds. I don't recommend actively managed mutual funds because they lose the benefit of not having those high fees of the actively managed funds. And they insert those high fees of actively managed funds into your index funds, really taking away from that extra little bit that you're trying to get in the first place. So unactively managed index funds are what you want to look into. And again, the reason is because the less motion, there's not, high fees for people choosing, because unlike actively managed funds where they try and, beat the market and they catch something here and then sell it here and you pay fees for all that, usually what an index fund does is it buys a little bit of a stock and holds it, keeps it forever, never sells it, never trades it. Its goal is that it will steadily rise along with the rest of the market. So I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. I'm going to try and get out about 5 more videos before I go on vacation, guys. I got vacation coming here. As of Tuesday, I will be sitting on a beach in California, relaxing. So, I'll try and get these 5 videos out between now and Tuesday. But after Tuesday, guys, I will be on vacation for a week or 2. Not sure exactly how long I'm going to take, but yeah, so you're going to have to deal without me for a little bit. If you have some questions and stuff, you can feel free to shoot them to me. I'll answer them when I come back the best that I can. and I'll get back to shooting videos and getting them up as soon as I get back from vacation. So thank you guys again so much for watching. This has been DPRS Unlimited, the little guy helping the little guy. Again, if you do like this video, hit the like button below. It really does help me in the YouTube rankings. Also, comment below. Love to hear your comments and questions that you guys have. Hit subscribe if you want more quality content like that. And until next time, guys, don't get stuck in that box.